everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your story views not working. Posted a story but can't see who viewed it, or the views aren't showing up at all. Here are a few ways to fix that. Step 1. Close Instagram completely and then reopen it. Sometimes story views just need a refresh to load correctly. Now, what if that still does not work? Go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram and see if there's an update button available. Running the latest version fixes most glitches. Next, what you're gonna do is check your connection. Which weak connections can stop story views from updating. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if it still works. If none of these work, it may be a temporary Instagram server issues. Wait a few hours and try again. In rare cases, switching to another account can confirm it's account specific. And that's it. With these steps, your story views should swap again. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe button. And do not forget to comment on my YouTube video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.